Grouping data in Looker Studio helps in organizing and summarizing information, making it easier to analyze and visualize. Here's a concise guide on how to group data. Open your report, log in, visit datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Select a report, open an existing report or create a new one, add or edit a chart, insert a chart, click on Add a chart from the top menu and choose a chart type like table, bar chart or pie chart. Place the chart on your report canvas. Configure the chart. Click on the chart to select it. In the Data tab of the Properties panel, set up the dimension and metrics. Group data. Add dimensions. Drag and drop the dimension you want to use for grouping into the dimension field. For example, use country to group sales data by country. Apply aggregations. Use metrics like sum, average, count, etc. to aggregate data within each group. Customize and save. Customize. Adjust chart styles and labels as needed for clarity. Save. Click Save to keep your changes.